Hello dear children, welcome back. This is Shaiju Daniel. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2 Blood. I hope you all enjoyed Chapter 1. I am going to explain what is blood, components of blood, why the blood is important, what color is the blood, how much of our body is blood, does blood die, which part of the body has no blood, which is the rarest blood group, and amazing facts of blood. Let's go. What is blood? Blood is a body fluid in humans and animals that circulates through the body and delivers oxygen and nutrients to the cells. It also transports metabolic waste product away from the cells. Why the blood is important. Blood brings oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body so they can keep working. Blood carries carbon dioxide and other waste materials to the lungs, kidneys, and digestive system to be removed from the body. Blood also fights infections, and carries hormones around the body. Components of blood. There are 4 basic components that comprise human blood. 1. Plasma. 2. Red blood cells. 3. White blood cells and 4. Platelets. 1. Plasma. Plasma is the pale yellow liquid part of the blood that holds all the other cells of blood. It is the largest part of the blood. It makes up more than half, about 55%, of its overall content. The main role of plasma is to take nutrients, hormones and protein to the parts of the body that need it. Cells also put their waste product into the plasma, which then helps remove this waste from the body. Plasma also transports all the other components of the blood through the circulatory system. 2. Red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to body tissues and carbon dioxide, as a waste product, from the tissues back to the length. The lifespan of a red blood cell is around 120 days in an adult and 80 to 90 days in a full-term infant. 3. White blood cells. White blood cells are a part of the immune system. They help the body fight from infections and other diseases. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes. They are made in the bone marrow and they can live as short as 1 day up to month in the body. There are many kinds of white blood cells which work differently to fight different kind of infections. 4. Platelets. Platelets, also known as thrombocytes, are made in the bone marrow. The lifespan of the platelets is 6 days. When a cut or other injury takes place, the platelets cause the blood to become thicker and to bunch up so that it plugs the hole. This is known as clotting, which stops the bleeding. When the injury is healed, the clot dissolves and sweeps away in the bloodstream as a part of waste product. Does blood die? Over half of your blood is plasma. Blood cells constantly die and your body makes new ones. Red blood cells live about 120 days, and platelets live about 6 days. Some white blood cells live less than a day, but others live much longer. What's the healthiest blood type? Of the 8 main blood types, people with type O have the lowest risk for heart disease. People with types A, B and B are at the greatest risk, which could be a result of higher rates of inflammation for these blood types. A heart-healthy lifestyle is particularly important for people with types A, B and B blood. How much of our body is blood? Scientists estimate the volume of blood in a human body to be approximately 7% of body weight. An average adult body with a weight of 150 to 180 pounds will contain approximately 4.7 to 5.5 liters (1.2 to 1.5 gallons) of blood. Which part of the body has no blood? The cornea is the only part of a human body that has no blood supply. It gets oxygen directly through the air. The cornea is the fastest healing tissue in the human body, thus, most corneal abrasions will heal within 24 to 36 hours. Which is the rarest blood group? 1. AB negative is the rarest of the 8 main blood types, just 1% of our donors have it. Despite being rare, demand for AB negative blood is low and we don't struggle to find donors with AB negative blood. However, some blood types are both rare and in demand. 2. Bombay group. The Bombay blood group is a rare blood group. Phenotypes of this group lacking H antigen on the red cell membrane and have anti-H in the serum. It fails to express any A, B or H antigen on their red cells or other tissues. 3. PP or P null phenotype. A blood type is considered rare when lesser than 1 in 1,000 people have it. Lack of high-frequency antigen or multiple common antigens makes a blood group rare. What color is the blood? Your blood is actually always red. Blood in your veins has very little oxygen and is a dark red color that looks almost blue when covered by your skin. Your arteries have bright red blood because it has a lot of oxygen in it that is being carried throughout your body to be used by tissues. Amazing facts of blood: there are 150 billion red blood cells in 1 ounce of blood. There are 2.4 trillion red blood cells in 1 pint of blood. The human body manufactures 17 million red blood cells per second. If stress precipitates a need, the body can produce up to 7 times that amount. That's up to 119 million red blood cells per second. A red blood cell is around 7 microns in size. A micron is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. It only takes 20 to 60 seconds for a drop of blood to travel from the heart, through your body, and back to the heart again. Cows have 800 and possibly more blood types. All blood isn't red. Crabs have blue blood. Earthworms and leeches have green blood. Many invertebrates, such as starfish, have clear or yellowish blood. Now answer the following questions about the components of blood. 1. What is the other name of red blood cells? Answer is erythrocyte. 2. Which blood component provides the major defense for our bodies against invading bacteria and viruses? Answer is white blood cell. 3. Which component of the blood is responsible for clotting? Answer is platelets. 4. Which blood cells are decreased in dengue fever? Answer is platelets. 5. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of blood? Answer is anemia. 6. What is the main purpose of red blood cells? Answer is to carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. Thank you, dear children, and God bless you all. See you in the next chapter.